Oh, someone's calling. Hold on.
If your cell
Hello?
phone is a cracked screen, then I already got you.
Ring, 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 ring. Hello?
Closer. Let me scream in your ear. There's someone on the line. Oh, you're invited to a party.
Oh.
A party to a crime.
Okay, I'm in. Bye. Hello, it's Halloween, and I am waiting on the kitties to get here so they can get their treats. I'm slacking in that it's Halloween. I don't have anything on me, so I figured I would sit down, make a video, and get spooky. I don't really have a game plan. My plan is to be disgusting and make children pee. Is that what I want? To be disgusting. I do have a few prosthetic-y type things. I kind of have an idea that I have all these like body parts. Little body parts. And I think I want to make it like a big old scar and they're like gushing out. Trace out maybe where I want it and see if these guys fit. Yay! Hello! You guys look awesome. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. What's that? What? I'm working on it right now. But yeah, I know. I'm already getting heckled for not having a Halloween face yet. Well, I'm gonna start with the scar. I got some latex. It smells like rotten vaginas. Gross. So the cotton's gonna give it some nice texture for like ooey gooey inside business. For the outside scar, some scar wax. Tissue. I'm gonna 1-ply my 2-ply. It's gotta be the uber soft Charmin or nothing. I'm a fancy lady and I deserve the best. Okay, so I ripped a little strip. And I'm gonna put it along the seam of where my gapy wound is gonna be. So I started ripping the latex and it's getting a little tricky. I'm gonna do some scar wax on this side. When you're dealing with scar wax and you want to shape it and mold it, is to put lotion on your fingers so it doesn't just stick to your fingers. I'm supposed to use like spirit gum, but I'm not in the mood for spirit gum today. So I just cut out, essentially, out of this guy. Little worm shape. Kind of just squishing it and smoothing it on my face. Making it look kind of flappy. So I'm just gonna continue it on around the scar. So I got the scar wax all on. It's kind of vaginal shaped. So I'm just gonna start coloring in the inside. This is a painfully small brush. For Halloween, I like to just get a big old pack of cheap brushes. So this paint is just like a water activated paint. I don't know if I said that. Looks pretty red. Cool. I'm gonna take a tiny brush again. I kind of want to make it darker around the inside of the vagina. So I'm just gonna look for something that would do the trick. Oh, this might be the dandy. So I'm gonna go in with, from the Heat palette, Ashes. This guy's sort of a dark ashy color. Let's see how this goes. Just kind of smudge it around the edges to deepen it up, give it more dimension. I haven't had a lot of kids yet. I've had like 8 kids maybe, but last year I got 0 children at my door. Not one kid. And to be honest with you, I was kind of hoping that it would be the same thing, so that I could just eat all the candy and feel like, well, someone's gotta eat it, it's here. Okay, so the edges are deepened slightly. I'm gonna start slapping something. You know what? This outer stuff is a little big. I'm gonna cut it because it's really big. I'm gonna cut around so that it's a little bit smaller. I'm just gonna paint some liquid latex around all the edges and hope that it sticks. Alright, we got an eyeball, y'all. So last weekend was adult Halloween. That's when I normally, you know, dress up, have fun, have some adult beverages. And I was Trixie Mattel. And it was divine, it was delicious. I wish I could be Trixie every day. I really do. Honestly, is anybody actually gonna follow this? I don't think so. Oh my goodness. So we got a couple eyeballs here. See those? Yes. Paint some latex around my nose. It's very crooked. Nose on. Latex up my ear so we can hear. Okay, so my card got full. So I cleared that off. And I did a few things while you were gone. I think that we were not there for the ear and the hand. And then I put a little bit of bruising around and I gave myself a little bit of a shiner. I was asking for it. I'm just gonna get a little bit of blood going on, a little bit more blood and gore, and I think we're gonna call it a day on this one. One of these guys. I'm gonna dabby do the stage blood in it. Kind of dab off a little bit and go around. Gives it a little stipple. Makes it a little bit more gory. I am going to take some of this demon blood, drip it around. Stipple a little bit more. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna call it a day on this one. Otherwise I could go all night. I would be like contouring the nose, and actually it's just a little boop 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 boop. Beautiful. Okay. So this is the finished product. A little bit spooky. Alright, so that's it. That's the look. I hope I get a chance to scare one more kid because I haven't gotten to make any kid cry or anything yet. It's very sad Halloween for me so far. This is it. I feel so pretty. I've always wanted to have blue eyes. Now I do. 2 blue eyes and 3 brown ones. Well, I hope you join me next time, or don't. Just don't do it. Unsubscribe if you're subscribed. Unlike, thumbs down. I eat some candy.